So in this video, we will learn about one more AWS service called as SNS service. This service is used to establish messaging between system to system. All and the messages can be sent to multiple applications concurrently. Unlike SQS, where we can send the message to one consumer at a time. So how it works then we'll see later. Before that, I want to tell you guys one more advantage of SNS is that along with integrating or having system to system messaging, SNS can be integrated to other applications, for example AWS Lambda, AWS SQS, HTTP and HTTPS subscribers. SNS can also be used for sending bulk messages. It can be used for sending push notifications, text messages, and email notifications to subscribers. How do we do that? Let's start. So, for creating anything on SNS, we have to create a topic of it. So, my topic for SNS would be demo SNS, and I'll keep everything as default. This is the second setting which we have discussed in SQS in my earlier videos. The for we in SNS2 we have all the three encryption options available. The encryption in flight with HTTP, SSL termination, encryption with KMS key, and encryption with client side key. So all three options are available like SQS. Then we have access policy like we do in S3 and S2S. We do have the similar interface in SNS. And these configuration, I'm going to keep these configuration as default. The number of retries 3 for sending the message, minimum delay 20 seconds, maximum delay 20 seconds. I'll be keeping everything as default. I'll not be logging my events or into any of such subscribers, but there is a way we can do that from this section. And then I'll be keeping everything as default. I'm just giving a name to my topic, and it is created. Now for this demo, I have created a site on or email inbox on Mailinator called as DrupalX dot Mailinator at Mailinator.com. So here I'll be pushing now my messages. So I'm basically pushing my okay. So before that we must have a subscriber. So I don't have any subscriber to receive my messages whatever I push to SMS. So for that we must create subscription. Um, I'll have an email subscription, and for that I have created account on Mailinator called, and it would be Drupal X at Mailinator.com, and I'll be keeping this as default. And then we have one configuration uh, as we do have in SQS to provide a dead letter queue. So this is the concept where if we can set a threshold for maximum receives messages, and if the publishing of a message exceeds that threshold, then it will go to another queue called which we set as dead letter queue, and that way we can debug what went wrong with that particular message which we have pushed. So this is the concept of dead letter queue. I have explained in detail in one of my videos for explaining SQS, so you guys can check out from there. I'll be creating my subscription for receiving my messages in via email on this account. So I'll push check. This is the raw message. Check body not published. Let's see. if I receive, okay, I've received it. So I'm receiving it from SNS. I have received the message. So this is how it works at SNS. Um, okay, and I have already explained you guys about these sections while explaining SMS. So this is it.